children. Today I am going to discuss about 5th standard science subject and lesson 3 air. A new topic, prevention of air pollution. If the air pollution increases at this rate, then there will be no life on the earth. In the future, the generation will be affected very badly. So we need to take some measures to avoid air pollution. In this video, we will learn about how to prevent the air pollution. Let us see the topic. Air pollution is the presence of contaminants in atmosphere in quantities such as that it is injurious to human, plant, animal life and property. Some sources of air pollution. First one, natural sources. Volcanic eruption, forest fires, biological decay. Second one, man-made sources. Thermal power plant, fuel burning, agriculture activities. The prevention of air pollution. The major pollutants which cause air pollution come from automobiles. Using public modes of transport can reduce the rate of pollution. We also should encourage others to use public transport. Planting more trees, using electric vehicles, using environment-friendly vehicles, using alternate sources of energy, using public transport. Today, the combustion of fossil fuel is a major source of air pollution, and so controlling their use is important in reducing pollution. This can be done in 3 key ways. First one, reduce the amount of fossil fuels. By reducing the usage of fossil fuels for burning, we can save the environment. By taking simple steps such as changing to energy efficient light bulbs or cycling instead of using a car. Increase the efficiency of motor vehicles, engines and power plants so that less fossil fuels are required. Use chemical reactions to remove the most harmful pollutants from motor vehicle and power plant emissions. Use public mode of transportation. Encourage people to use more and more public modes of transportation to reduce pollution. Also, try to make use of carpooling. If you and your colleagues come from the same locality and have same timings, you can explore these options to save energy and money. These are other options how to prevent the air pollution. Recycle cloths, plastics and paper. Use public transport or walk rather than use a car. Use energy efficient products. Example, light bulbs, washing machines. Switch off fans and lights when you are not using them. CFL's bulbs consume less electricity. By using these bulbs, we can save energy. Carry reusable bags to cut down on plastic bags. Buy local produce to reduce transport's carbon footprint. Using non-renewable energy resources like solar energy and wind energy instead of conventional energy can reduce air pollution. We need to reduce our usage. We can reuse or recycle few items. Switch off fan and lights when you are not using them. Do you know, students, National Pollution Control Day? One of the most significant areas of concern of the world right now is environmental pollution. In the year 1984, on the night of 2nd December, more than 3,700 lives were lost because of an industrial poisonous gas leak. This is why the second day of December month is observed as the National Pollution Day in India. The National Health Portal of India provides statistical report for the effects of pollution. Stop air pollution before it causes health degradation. Find the answer to set an end to air pollution. Pollution is unfair. Plant as many trees to breathe clean air. If you plant each day one tree, it will make your life pollution free. Less air pollution is the answer to a healthy life solution. Okay students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.